Ngeke ngizwe-ke abanye bathi banenkinga ukuthi bayacabanga bafuna ukuyeka ukucabanga. Lalela ngikutshele, you cannot stop doing what you are not doing. Awucabangi nje nhlobo. It's not you who is thinking. It's your mind that is thinking, but you are aware of your mind thinking. Yabo? So how can you stop doing what you are not doing? That is why kungenzeki. There's only one thing you can stop doing. You can stop giving attention to those thoughts. That's how you stop thinking. Once you stop giving attention to those thoughts, where are you going to put the attention to? In the present moment, in the now. Because you cannot forfeit attention from your thoughts or from your mind and then you put it nowhere. You have to put it somewhere. You have to be present. So if you say wena there is indaba uhlezi ucabanga lezi zinto ezikanje thanona indaba uhlezi aware of your mind thinking these things. You are not responsible ukuthi ingqondo yakho icabangani. You are not responsible of that. But your responsibility yakho ilile kuthenini, what do you do about what you are aware of in your mind? Wenzani ngalokho? Ingqondo yakho mekutshela lokhu uyakubelieve ukuthi is that you. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingele lo changes akhasha uthi ngenzana noma yini, noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona, beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. So you are not responsible ukuthi what is the next thought that your mind is going to populate. That's not your responsibility. But your responsibility is what you do about that. It's what you do about that. If you believe it, then that will be your reality. Because ingakutshela ukuthi we are terrible, lento ukwazi ukuyenza kahle. And then if you believe that, then that's your own reality. That's your own reality because you have decided to believe your mind. But at the same time, if you are aware enough, you are not that mind. You are the awareness behind. You can just decide not to engage with that, not to believe it. Just be aware of it and do nothing about it. Because it's not you who is thinking. It's your mind, but you are aware of that. So you have a choice whether you want to believe it or not. So you believe what you want to believe. Based on what your mind is telling you. What your mind is thinking. So now you choose.